Alright, so in this video, this is part 2 for the Gravity Forms email notifications. This one's going to be for how, when a user signs up for a free ebook, they can get a quick download. So here we go. So what we're going to do, we already have the notification set up, and you can see how in the other video, I'll send the link down below how to do that if you haven't seen that one yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this one. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and edit that, and we're going to change it to send an email to them instead. So let's see here. We're going to send the email to the actual person. So what we need to do is get this. This is the I want to say short code, but the code we need for this. So we're going to send it to them instead. And then from name, it's going to be Gig Village for this website. And then from the email, we're going to go ahead and, just in case the reply, you can either do no reply or whatever your email that you choose to. So in case they do want to respond back, then you can do that. So and the reply email, so this is kind of weird because it's going to be backwards. Should be this, I believe, right? And that way if they reply back to that, it would go to there. And then let's see here, we're going to say free Gig Village giveaway, and whatever fields you want to put in there. And then for this, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this piece from the last time. We're going to put in our own custom message, which I've typed up over here. And that's going to, oops, we want to do that HTML form. And you can do insert their first name or whatever name. And let's see here, so we have that. The visual mode will look like this. And let's see, we'll bold that. And we'll also add a media image in there too. I think we'll do that later, but this is basically HTML. And then after that, we can update it, and we should be good to go. So I'll just change this to, let's see, visitor download. If I can type that correctly. There we go. And that will be it. And of course, test this in the front end, make sure it works. And that's how you send an email to someone that is requesting a download of a free ebook. All right, thanks.